C# is an object-oriented programming language, or OOP for short, that allows us to create or use existing objects and access their properties. Rigidbody component in Unity is an object, and it has several properties. For example, if we want to check speed of ball rigidbody, let's just ask Unity to print out ball's velocity, and we do that with a dot operator. It works like this: under update method, add print command, and as parameter type, ball rigidbody. Then add dot, which will tell compiler that we are trying to access one of the object's properties, and finish with property name, velocity. Now let's run our game and you will see 000 many times. That simply means that our object is not moving, its velocity is 0 in each frame. Why velocity has 3 values? It's because velocity is a 3-dimensional vector. Each value is showing direction and magnitude for each coordinate axis, x, y and z. Currently it's 000, which means we have a null vector, and that's why nothing is moving. In part A of this lesson, we decided that ball should move to the right. Let's find out what right means. Select our ball and move it to the right. Look at the inspector. You will notice that ball's x position value is growing as we move it to the right. That means that our velocity should have positive value on x-axis. Under start function type ball rigidbody dot velocity equals 100. That wouldn't work, because velocity expects vector 3, so we add vector 3 word at the front. And again, Unity won't be satisfied until we type new vector 3. Now when we run the game, ball will move to the right. A quick recap. To move game object, we access velocity property of its rigidbody component. Velocity expects vector 3 value in format new vector 3 xyz, which will determine direction and speed of movement for each of 3 axes. To make variable accessible from within editor, we should make it public. For speed, we are using a floating point type variable, as it gives us precise control over values. To explicitly specify float type, add f at the end. Time for the assignment. It's been a tough lesson. To understand this topic, I would highly encourage you to complete the next assignment all by yourself. Make ball move to the left. Use our existing ball speed variable as a speed value, and make it tweakable from inspector inside the Unity editor. Make ball move diagonally, with its vertical speed being twice faster than horizontal. Additional task for advanced users. Create a new vector 3 variable called movement direction, and complete previous 3 tasks using movement direction variable while working with ball rigidbody's velocity. Have fun and remember to watch this lesson again if something is not clear.